Cruise lines don't make their real money from tickets. They make it from what you don't question, don't notice, or don't know how to avoid. And if you skip what I'm about to show you, you won't just spend more. You'll waste time, you'll stand in longer lines, you'll miss opportunities, and you'll quietly accept limits that never actually applied to you. But if you follow this in order phase by phase, you'll move through your cruise like an insider. Cleaner, faster, smarter, cheaper, and with control the cruise line hopes you never realize you have. This is SHIPVERSE. And this is the exact checklist smart cruisers use to outsmart the cruise lines. Step by step. Do not skip ahead. Each phase protects the next. Phase 1. Before you book, where cruise lines quietly set the trap. Step 1. Ignore the headline price and inspect the total cost. The first number you see is designed to trigger emotion, not accuracy. Cruise lines know most people compare cruises by base fare only. That's where mistakes begin. What actually matters is the total cost after taxes, port fees, daily service charges, and mandatory add-ons. If you skip this, you'll think one cruise is cheaper and later wonder why your final bill exploded by hundreds. Pro tip: 2 cruises with the same base price can end up $400 apart once fees are added. Always calculate per day, all-in costs before booking. Step 2. Choose the sailing, not the ship. Most passengers pick the newest ship and assume that equals best value. That assumption costs money. Sailing date, itinerary, and passenger mix matter more than the ship itself. If you skip this, you'll end up on a sailing packed with kids, peak pricing, and crowded ports. Insider detail: shoulder season sailings on slightly older ships often deliver better service, fewer crowds, and more onboard perks because the crew-to-guest ratio feels better. Step 3. Lock-in price protection. Not just a reservation. Cruise prices move constantly, but the cruise line won't tell you when your fare drops. If you skip this, you'll overpay even when the exact same cabin becomes cheaper later. Pro tip: book a refundable rate or work with a booking method that allows repricing before final payment. Many passengers save hundreds simply by checking prices once a week. Phase 2. Cabin strategy, where comfort and regret are decided. Step 4. Pick cabin location before cabin category. Most people obsess over balcony versus inside and ignore placement. That's backwards. Location affects noise, motion, and sleep more than cabin size. Skip this and you may end up under a nightclub, above a theater, or beside a service corridor. Insider detail: midship, one deck above or below public areas, is usually quieter than being directly under them. Step 5. Avoid a guarantee cabins unless you know the risk. Guarantee cabins look cheaper, but they remove your control. If you skip understanding this, you may be assigned a cabin with obstructed views, vibration, or poor layout. Pro tip: guarantee cabins make sense only if you're flexible and truly don't care where you sleep. Otherwise, the savings rarely justify the risk. Phase 3. Boarding day, where time is silently stolen. Step 6. Arrive early, but not first. Cruise lines promote early boarding, but they don't explain congestion patterns. Arrive too early and you wait. Arrive too late and you queue behind thousands. If you skip this, your first day becomes standing instead of settling. Insider detail: the sweet spot is usually 45 to 90 minutes after boarding officially opens. Step 7. Carry essentials, not convenience. Your luggage may not reach your cabin for hours. If you skip this, you'll spend money rebuying items you already packed. Pro tip: carry medications, documents, swimwear, and one full change of clothes. Smart cruisers are already relaxing while others are frustrated. Phase 4. Muster and safety, where freedom is unlocked. Step 8. Complete muster immediately. Modern muster drills are faster, but only if you complete them early. If you skip this, you won't be allowed to access key areas of the ship. Insider detail: completing muster early often means emptier bars, quieter decks, and staff still fresh and attentive. Phase 5. The first 24 hours, where most people overspend. Step 9. Do not buy anything on day 1. Cruise lines push urgency hard on embarkation day. If you skip restraint, you'll lock into overpriced packages before you understand your habits. Pro tip: most packages go on discount later in the sailing, especially spa and dining options. Step 10. Learn the ship layout immediately. Time lost wandering is money lost indirectly. If you skip this, you'll arrive late to shows, miss reservations, and feel rushed all week. Insider detail: walk the ship deck by deck on day 1. It saves hours over the entire cruise. Phase 6. Dining. Where control beats convenience. Step 11. Time your specialty dining bookings. Specialty restaurants are rarely full every night. Discounts quietly appear. Step 12. Understand included dining limits. Many passengers assume included means unlimited flexibility. It doesn't. Skip this and you'll face surprise upcharges or limited menus. Insider detail. Some main dining rooms offer off-menu items if you ask politely and early. That's Phase 7. Drinks and packages, where cruise lines profit most. Step 13. Calculate before buying a drink package. Drink packages are psychological products, not financial ones. If you skip math, you'll overpay to avoid feeling restricted. Pro tip: count realistic daily drinks, including port days. Many passengers break even only if they drink heavily every sea day. Phase 8. Port days, where mistakes become permanent. Step 14. Do not assume ship-sponsored excursions or safer cruise lines sell fear, not protection. If you skip research, you'll pay double for the same tour. So, insider detail. Independent operators with strong reviews often offer smaller groups and better experiences. Just return early. Step 15. Set a personal back on boarding time. The ship will not wait for you. If you skip buffer time, one traffic delay becomes a disaster. Pro tip: plan to return at least 90 minutes before all aboard time. Phase 9. At sea days, where value is hidden. Step 16. Use quiet hours intentionally. Most passengers follow the same schedule. If you skip this awareness, you'll experience crowds everywhere. Insider detail. Early mornings and late evenings unlock empty pools, better service, and calmer spaces. Phase 10. Disembarkation, where final stress happens. Step 17. Choose your exit strategy. Early late planning equals long lines. If you skip this, your cruise ends in chaos instead of calm. Pro tip: self-assist disembarkation is fastest if you can handle your luggage. Traps to avoid before you leave. Many passengers assume loyalty status equals savings. It doesn't always. Many assume onboard credit is a free money. It often replaces discounts you could have received elsewhere. And many assume the cruise line explains all options clearly. They don't. Cruise lines count on silence, habits, and assumptions. But now you know better. If you've cruised before, what's one thing that surprised you, good or bad, that no one warned you about?